up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shantell's World.
I ain't shy, bust it wide, cause I been there. I ain't shy, bust it wide, cause I been there. Hey, bounce it, bounce it, drop it, drop it, pop it like a shootout. Bounce it, bounce it, drop it, drop it, pop it like a shootout.
You guys, today we're back with another video and we are having a taco salad mukbang. So y'all, we got a homemade taco salad. I showed y'all how I put this thing together. Okay? Okay? Okay.
You know.
So y'all, we getting ready to dig in. So, but before we dig in, let's go ahead and do a quick thumbnail. Come on, babe, let's be creative. How you want to do this? Okay, let's just feed you. No, let's smile. Alright, you guys, so I think that was the winner. Alright, enough talking. We haven't ate nothing all day, y'all. And you guys, it's really, really late. But we'll talk about that in the video. But let's go ahead and dig in into this amazing taco salad. Taco salad. Go ahead and get a nice, good bite for y'all. With everything on there. Treat my people right. How's that for a first bite? A yum yum yum. Say yum. Okay, let's go for it, y'all.
No cap. When that food fell off your fork. Well, I was thinking they took their first bite right there. It fell right to their mouth.
Why would you bring it up on camera?
I'm sorry.
Because the food fell.
No.
That's why they can't see that.
Uh-oh.
Cut the video. So yeah, y'all, I had some stuff on my face. I had to get that together. But yeah, you guys, it has been a long, hectic, busy week, y'all. Non-stop moving and grooving. Your girl has been on her grind. And her man has been supporting her, y'all. It's been a long, y'all. This week has been so long.
It's been crazy.
I hope y'all week is going amazing. But y'all, we got some stuff on the way. You guys, I'm so excited.
That tastes good. Ooh,
He's so full of it, y'all. Amazing. But y'all, I know y'all heard Tory Lanez drop an album to tell his side of the story of what happened with Megan Thee Stallion. Now, y'all know I've been following this for a little while now. Do you hear me? Do not go listen to that man's album. Don't support that, because he should not be getting away with what he did to Megan. Period.
It was messed up. I normally like to listen to everything, but I can't really listen to his album. Kind of support what's going on. Kind of weird. And people want to listen to see his side, but
y'all just had on some sour cream lipstick. But
I just read the lyrics and it was just like, really?
My thing is,
really?
Why would you even make a song about somebody you shot? Like,
unarmed woman.
I mean, my thing is, y'all do not go watch none of his songs or do nothing. Let him be canceled. Well, that was not cool. And I hope.
And my thing is that what he doing right now, I feel like it's a big diss album. Like I feel like besides the Megan thing, I feel like he's shading a lot of other people. That way, it's like he's not, nobody's perfect, but it's like it's really hard, you know, because you're relevant. You did it,
right?
And you not in jail, so it's like, or you know, I'm not gonna say you did it. Allegedly, you did it. But yeah, no. and you shading a lot of people in the album and whatnot.
Right.
But shit.
How are people supposed to be reacting? You shot Meg. And her being injured is on camera. Everybody in the car saying you did it.
It's not a good look. It's not a good look.
You gonna come with an album? I just don't understand how that's acceptable. Explain to me how that's acceptable. And if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'll go back. Tory Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion were hanging out with Kylie Jenner at her house in the pool. They had a couple of videos up. And then shortly after that, a dispute happened between Megan and Tory. She wanted to get out of the car, and the story gets blank after that, and she gets shot. You see a video that's surrounded by cops. Megan's fist is bleeding. They thought she was cut by glass because she didn't say nothing, but it turns out she was shot by Tory Lanez, allegedly. So, and then now this man is making a mixtape about her. I mean, an album.
And the crazy thing is, people so swept up in what's going on between that he didn't say anything. That I think it went #1 on Apple Music. I was like, so y'all want to hear it that bad? But it's like, when you hear it, or you even read the lyrics of it, you know, like, come on, man. This some baloney. How you spoon feeding that to the people?
Then,
I I ain't shoot Meg. What? I mean, allegedly.
Then he gonna make a post, y'all, talking about go listen to the album. This is how he feeding his son.
Man, you know you got bread.
He going broke and
Cap.
y'all need to support him. What?
Let's say this is a lot of after woodworker going broke. And then gonna try to donate some of the proceeds to Breonna Taylor. I really felt like I was like, so you really trying to get some press for that album?
How is he gonna talk about Breonna Taylor or anything to do with Black Lives Matter? And he shot Megan, a black woman, alleged. I hate that damn word.
And you be saying people doing stuff. Look.
Yeah, but that got on my nerves. I'm like, how he gonna try to? I feel like he trying to ride the wave.
I feel like he trying to beat the storm. I feel like if he hold out long enough and stay in the light long enough, they'll pick something else.
Yeah.
They'll pick somebody else. He'll still be album deal well, all this other stuff, but he'll still be here. I think the biggest thing about it was that him and whatever his team was doing was they was trying to be like, what is the best way not to get canceled? And hit a whole 180 and drop this album. Like that. I feel like it's crazy. It made up a lot of stuff. Or a lot of disses. This was, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
Crazy.
I ain't heard.
And they'll be going to his page and disliking nothing, y'all. His dislikes and likes have the same value. Dislikes don't stop nothing. But no watch time will.
You know what's crazy is that as a person, I don't even know Tory Lanez, but it's like the actions that you're doing, you know what I'm saying?
Doesn't look good.
It just don't create a good picture for you. On either side.
Who wanna work for somebody that's shooting women? Oh, allegedly. He a damn fool.
I don't know. Like I said, if he can beat the storm, I bet somebody gonna be like, I want a Tory Lanez feature. No cap. Wait on it. Just wait on it. Wait 2-3 years or something. I bet somebody still gonna be bumping Tory Lanez.
No wonder allegedly Tory Lanez and 6ix9ine got a song together. No cap. Allegedly. Heard it through the grapevine.
Heard it from the grapevine.
And I will not be listening to it. I will not. I will not.
You know what's crazy?
Well.
I didn't listen to Title Tales. But I will say this. I didn't listen to 6ix9ine's album, but what they did to him was very disrespectful.
He's disrespectful.
He is disrespectful, but no, I'm talking about as an artist, whatever he gotta say to the mic and all this other stuff. Y'all gonna really just cancel his music. Y'all, I feel like that's horrible. You are like, that's terrible. As an artist myself, I feel like somebody just, if I put out my whatever I feel like is my work, and then they was just like, yeah, No.
Y'all hear this?
I feel like that's bad. At the same time, and be out here making no tattletale albums.
Oh yeah, I didn't even tell y'all what was in this. We got lettuce. We got some fiesta beans. Some cheese. Tomato. Oh, some ground turkey with bell peppers and onions. Y'all, I really can't remember. Some sour cream, some tacos, sauce, and some seasoning, yeah. Some additional seasoning. Y'all know I seasoned that meat. Yeah, I'm getting full.
Somebody having a good time. Man, what y'all doing? What are y'all doing today, right now? Besides watching the video.
Y'all, he's crazy. Have y'all seen that new episode of Power? Yes, Power, the second edition. Y'all. I'm only gonna talk about the first episode because I don't want to spoil it for nobody. But the first episode, y'all, get on my nerves. First of all I want to say, Tasha get everything that she deserves. No cap. No cap. How do you plot to kill the father of your children and then put your son in on it? And not have him do it, but not realizing basically all the things she was telling him basically was building him up to do it anyway. So
you weren't ready for that, man.
Ghost did not want him in the street. But no. Tasha was like, no, I'm gonna turn my son into a monster. And that's exactly what she did. So now Ghost is dead because of Tasha.
Dead Ghost.
I'm gonna blame Tariq, but it's really because of Tasha. Because she put all the poisonous things in Tariq's head.
I ain't gonna say Ghost ain't do nothing himself,
So, with Tasha in jail, all I can do is laugh. But something I want to laugh at is the fact Tariq not in there with her. And he needs to go to jail. Tariq needs to pay the consequences of his actions. Because with him getting scot-free, he think life is a game. Yeah, Power has gotten so intense. It's like what Ghost did, he's still there. He's just not walking around. Everything going his way still.
All day.
I'm just like, this is
all day.
And then him being, you know how they said he was like this drug kingpin? Now they saying it's Tasha. Tasha was the leader.
They're trying to pin it on somebody.
Yeah, I can't believe Power right now. Like, I'm really trying to understand where they're going with this because
I'm really trying to understand.
Y'all, it's been a lot. Y'all, it's been a lot going on Power. I'm trying to keep up. Y'all think they're gonna get Tommy his own show? Because
man,
Tommy has not been.
I need to see that Cali Tommy.
I thought he was gonna pull up.
Look, that's what's gonna be. That's gonna be the next chapter, chapter 3. Tommy. And what?
Look, 50 Cent think he slick. We busted you.
Ouch you.
Yeah, y'all, but it's going good though. Shoo up. But yeah, y'all gotta check out Power. Y'all gotta, ooh. Hold up.
Wait a minute. Get your pepper right.
But now, y'all, for real, I do not feel bad for Tasha. She really, I
feel bad for Shirley.
Like, y'all want to talk about so much more, but I'm trying to be at ease because I know y'all still trying to catch up, and y'all probably haven't even seen the first episode. I probably spoiled it for you, so I'm just trying to, you know.
Look, last season, people like, what?
Oh, let me get some water.
I was supposed to catch up on power.
First of all, I almost just died. That was almost the end of me. But, what was I about to say? He stole. Okay, because he stole all my words. And he gonna start eating.
Huh? Some mukbang. I can. Oh, I remember. Dang it, I lost it.
How you know I was gonna tell you? You wasn't in my head.
How you know?
Oh, yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Dang.
Y'all, this past Friday, the plates were a success again. I thought I would let you know because I told y'all the last time we did it. So, y'all, this Friday was a success. Ooh, y'all, it went good. Food came out right. And we was moving a little bit faster in the kitchen. It didn't take that long this time. So,
The grill was
I just wanted to give y'all an update. But on that note,
This is my grill cooking, you ain't see it. It's the chicken right there.
Ooh, y'all, a piece of lettuce under my lip, trapped.
Free
the lettuce. Free the lettuce. I'm full. Yeah. Why you ain't listen to me? I said I was full. He's still trying to fire me.
I tried.
Y'all sad.
Crazy.
Who crazy? You crazy. I ain't crazy. You crazy. What? What you said?
What you see it creep?
What you said?
What you see it creep?
Okay. On that note, y'all. Oh, wait.
Definitely. Like, comment, and subscribe. Did I mention subscribe? You know I can't say. You better.
First of all, okay.
I need my partner.
Now that he's done with that pre-prep show, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. That I'm into subscribe. Definitely subscribe to your girl's channel because we keep it lit over here. Hey, we keep it lit over here. Hey, we keep it lit over here. Yeah. Oh. I drop videos Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. I go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. You heard me?
Did they hear you?
I said you heard. Okay, I'm done. But on that note, y'all, we got to go. We out. Peace.
Drop it like a shootout. Bounce it, drop it like a shootout.